Hello. In this video, I'm going to share the process to transfer the ownership of one APS bucket between two different APS apps. Let me start by sharing my screen. Okay. Now, as you can see, I have two APS apps. This first app is the original one, where I'm going to create my bucket and upload my file. And this other one here is my target app, where I'm going to transfer my bucket, including the files and also the derivatives. To make this possible, I have a collection in Postman already configured to help me with everything, generating the tokens and triggering the transfer. For this, we have two specific steps. First one, the owner starts the transfer process, and the receiver, the new app, is going to complete the transfer. So let me first of all generate the tokens required for the original app. We only need the bucket update scope for this one. Let me also generate and save the complete app. Those tokens are being saved under different variables, as you can see here, start and complete. And now let's start viewing the content from our original file. Let me paste here the client ID, also the secret, login. And to help me viewing all of this content, I'm using this OSS Manager sample created by Adonagi. If I expand US region, no buckets available. I just created this app. So let's create a bucket. And for this case, I'm going to use this key over here. So let's go there, persistent. Let me create this bucket in US region. Now I can see my bucket, and let me upload one file. Let me upload this very simple Revit file, original RBT. That's okay. In the meantime, while this is uploading, oh, it was fast. Let me just trigger the translation. While this is translating, let me also show you the other app. Copy the client ID, the client secret, login, and as you can see, there's nothing in US region, no bucket at all. I'm gonna pause the recording now and come back once this translation is complete. Okay, translation complete. As you can see, we have our derivative and our object available in this bucket from the original app. And if you go to the target app, nothing to see here. Okay, so let's start the process. All we need to do is start the bucket transfer using this endpoint. We are going to pass our bucket key. We need to pass also our token. This is the start token from the original app, start token. Client ID is AP, same as this one. And our target folder, our target app is easy. So let's see, target app is this other complete token. Client ID easy, all correct. So we start and point it to our target client ID. All we need is the bucket key in the URL and the credential, the client ID in our payload. So let's send this request. And now that this request was sent, all we need to do is complete our bucket transfer using the second token, the token acquired by the second app. So as soon as we send, we can see now that if we refresh, first of all, the original app, we can't see the token, the bucket anymore. And if we refresh the target one, we can see our bucket, including also our derivatives. Okay, hope you find this useful, and yeah, feel free to reach out if you have any questions.